What's up, guys? Are you tired of consistently shooting low and left of the A zone? Well, let me show you how to fix that. I'm Kawa, and this is your Musa Minute. The misconception about having a firm grip is the stronger the grip, the better the control. We want our grip to be stable, but if we're not careful, these three amigos actually hurt us more than they help. The only part of our shooting hand that should be working is our trigger finger. But something called muscle and tendon sympathy happens, and your three amigos want to contract as well, dipping your barrel low and left for right-handed shooters and low and right for lefties. Your shooting hand should be fairly relaxed, with most of that stabilization coming from your support hand. A technique I learned in the Army is to throw your pinky finger out there. By throwing out your pinky finger, it will naturally relax your two other amigos, which will help you relax your grip. But bear in mind, this is only a temporary conditioning technique and not a permanent one, so don't be operating with your pinky finger out at all times. Thanks for watching, and let me know how this tip works out for you.